A bright red umbrella, big and round. A blue raincoat, shiny and new. Yellow rain boots, splashing in puddles. Green socks, cozy and soft. A purple hat, snug on heads. Orange gloves, warm for tiny hands. A pink scarf, wrapped around necks. Clear raindrops, falling from clouds. Brown mud, soft and squishy. White clouds, fluffy in the sky. A rainbow umbrella, colors so bright. A gray sky, cloudy and overcast. A golden sun, peeking through clouds. A blue puddle, reflecting the world. A red ladybug on a leaf. Bright flowers, blooming after the rain. A colorful kite, flying high. A striped beach ball, waiting for sun. A gray stone, smooth and flat. A yellow duck, floating happily. A rainbow of colors, everywhere we look. We are at Rainbow Valley. The market is bustling with colors. People wear bright clothes and smiles. A gentle breeze swirls around us. The air is fresh and clean. Raindrops dance on the pavement. Children laugh and splash puddles. Shiny fruits, red and green. Baskets of flowers, bright and cheerful. Colorful paintings hang on walls. Lemonade stands with cheerful signs. Happy melodies float in the air. Bright balloons sway, tied to stands. A cheerful dog wags its tail. Soft cushions, inviting for resting. A tall fountain, splashing water. Sparkling gems, twinkling in the sun. Boys and girls are jumping in the rain. Everywhere we look, colors shine. A magical rainbow arches above. This is a place full of joy. Meet Pinky Pickles, cheerful and kind. She loves colors and fun adventures. Her friend, Benny Bunny, hops by. Benny teaches about colors with joy. They wear matching raincoats, bright and happy. Pinky has a big smile on her face. Benny has soft, fluffy ears. Together they giggle and explore. Pinky picks a red umbrella. Benny wears blue boots. They want to find the end of the rainbow. A small goal, a shiny treasure awaits. It promises fun and new adventures. Pinky jumps in a puddle, splashing water. Benny laughs and hops around. Together, they sing a happy song. The rainbow calls them closer. They hold hands and skip along. Puddles make neat splashes behind. Flowers nodding in the gentle rain. Clouds hug the sun, shining brightly. Every step brings them joy. A joyful adventure is starting now. Colors guide their happy hearts. The rainbow is getting closer. They are excited to learn more. A treasure hunt awaits them. They hop and dance with glee. Hand in hand, they sing loud. Adventure is waiting, bright and bold. What will they find at the end? What color is the sky today? It's a bright blue, clear and sunny. Count the raindrops on the window. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. What color is Pinky's umbrella? A shiny red, bright and happy. How many flowers did we see? 1, 2, 3 colorful flowers. Count the ducks and the puddles. 1, 2, 3, 4 shiny ducks. What color are Benny's boots? They are blue, matching his coat. What color is the ground? It's brown, soft from the rain. Look for triangles in our clothes. The hats have triangles on top. What shape is the umbrella? It's round and big, like a circle. Count the stripes on Benny's scarf. 1, 2, 3, 4 bright stripes. How many colors do you see? Count them all, one by one. Colors are fun everywhere we look. They see a friend holding hands. Please, may I join you? Asks Pinky. Thank you for inviting me, says Benny. They wait patiently at the fountain. Let's share our umbrellas, giggles Pinky. They help each other tie shoes. Look both ways before you cross. They hold hands in bright colors. Manners make each day brighter. Thank you for sharing, Benny. Pinky gives a cheerful wave. A kind smile goes a long way. They wait nicely at the market. They say please and thank you. Together, they help a friend. Let's share colorful snacks. They pass out bright fruits. Their fun colors make others smile. They all work together as friends. They help clean up after play. Manners make everyone happy. They discover a hidden garden. A friendly guide shows them the way. Look at the rainbow flowers, he says. Pinky and Benny cheer with joy. They pick bright petals together. Let's plant these seeds, says Benny. They work as a team to care. A squirrel watches, curious and sweet. A rainbow butterfly flutters by. They learned colors, shapes, and fun. Pinky loves her bright red umbrella. Benny enjoys his blue raincoat. 5 colorful flowers were found today. 3 ducks splashed in their way. Together, they shared many smiles. Rainy days can be bright and fun. Colors make every day special. They giggled and danced in the rain. Adventure is better with friends. As the sun sets, they feel cozy. The rain has brought fresh joys. They sit under the rainbow sky. Together, they dream of more fun. The day ends with happy hearts.